Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for a decade. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I should. That's Sammy. She gets an appearance fee every time. She's going to look outside. She'll be back in 20 seconds. This is her routine. Anyway, I am a former IRS agent. I have worked thousands of cases. I've been in tax defense for 41 years. Started at IRS in 73. Don't I look good? I've been on all the national news stations. Anyway, you can look me up at on 777irs.com. IRS is in a season. There she goes, 20 seconds. You can clock it. Now she gets 2 appearance fees. Anyway, if IRS in fact is seizing your property, or they sent you an L10, an LT11, or a 1058 notice, they're both kind of the same. This a little different. IRS is going to do exactly what they say. These are computer generated letters. Nobody in IRS is handling your case. The computer, though, is starting to take enforcement action. Right after this, IRS is going to go ahead and seize your bank account and your wages, and probably file a federal tax lien depending on the dollar amount. These are time-sensitive notices. IRS has already sent out 4 notices, 6 weeks all apart, and now it's all over. If you do not take action, your bank account or your wages, your employer will be notified. The money is going to be gone. You simply have to act on this. I can make one simple call and we can stop all this action. Just so you know, as a former IRS agent, obviously we know everything that there is to do. The big thing, though, is not just stopping the action. That's really easy for us. The toughest part of this is, what are we going to do to close your case? IRS is going to close your case in one of 3 ways: either by a payment agreement, putting you in a hardship for a couple years and kicking the case back out again to review, or you can submit an offer in compromise to settle your debt for pennies on a dollar. Understand that your current financial statement that you give IRS, when we pick up the phone, they are going to want to go ahead. They'll review that and they'll put you in one of those 2 categories. The offer would have to be filed somewhere else with different people. But IRS generally, when you call them, are either going to put you into currently non-collectible or get you a payment agreement. So we like to get that financial statement, look at it, maybe polish it off, make a little better before we make the IRS call. The big thing is stopping IRS. The second big thing is making sure you get the agreement you want with them. I've been doing this for years. I am a national expert. Call me. Please give me a subscription if you would. If you're not using me, please make sure you respond to this notice. It's time sensitive. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate a subscription or whatever you want to do. Thank you.